Hi, cuties. Hi, cuties. Welcome back. I hope you're all doing well. So, today I'll be unboxing my first ever Savannah haul. I know I'm pretty late to the game, but better late than never. I tried my best to selectively get what are cute, and let me show you guys what I got one by one. I'll mention everything in the description below so you can go and get them for yourself. I'll first start with the clothing, then I'll come to the accessories. So we start with the first product, that is this cutie top, and oh my god, I was so obsessed with this bow pattern. Like, bow pattern is so in trend right now, and oh my god, I love this. This is so Pinterest coded. Can you argue with that? No, right? I think the length is perfect to pair it up with the jeans. Oh my god, I love it so much. And it is even prettier than what I have seen online. Oh my god, it is 100% similar to what I have seen on their website. So, first impression is 10 on 10. And one thing that I couldn't even understand looking at the picture is it has tiny sparkles all over the top, which makes it even prettier. And honestly, the quality, it is so soft. I was not expecting this to be so soft. For the price I paid, this is such a steal. So let's come to the second top, which is red in color. I don't have much red in my collection, so I'm pretty excited about this. Like, I'm a bit confused. There's so much thread all around here. Okay, it's one of those trendy tops right now, which has this skirt attached to it. I don't know what it is called, but I have seen this all over my Pinterest, and it was even on Savannah. I was so shocked. Oh my god. Literally, Savannah is a heaven for Pinterest girlies. It has a bow and it's embroidered. Honestly, this is so uniquely cute. Like, look at the entire thing. It feels like a dress, but yeah, it is too short for a dress. So of course, pair it up with the jeans, and it would look so pretty. And I just love this skirt frilly feeling so much. I don't have this kind of tops in my collection. I am more excited about this neck scarf thing. And damn, it really looks so pretty. I love it. I know what the most amazing part is. I love the quality. So the next thing that I got is a shorts, and that too in a gingham pattern. That is so cute. Okay, so I can tie a bow from the sides and it would look so cute. Love it. And gingham pattern is so in trend right now. Like, everything gingham is so cute. I love it. And also the elastic seems quite fine. I was scared about if I purchase from Savannah, maybe there will be a size problem, but they fit me properly. This is such a steal. I don't know what these are called. Beach shorts. I have seen these all over my Pinterest, and I wanted to get it one for myself. And also, again, the quality feels so good. Of course, I had to get a bag because Savannah has so many cute bags, but I just got only one for me to see how it's gonna be. If it's good, I'm gonna buy more. It smells bad. I don't know if anybody faced it, but it smells so bad. But whoa, this is so pretty. I didn't expect it to be this big. Honestly, I was expecting this small kind of a bag, what I saw online. Wow, I think this would even fit my iPad. Let's just check the chain. So far, so good. Oh my god, it's spacious. You can hold a lot of stuff. As someone who carries around the whole world inside her tote bag, I think this is a good substitute. I love it. This is so good. The only complaint I have is this: it has a weird bad smell. I don't understand why. I think it's slowly disappearing away. But yeah, I love this. This is so cute. And there's a cute dog on top of it. Oh, I love him so much. I mean, this is just similar to what I have seen on their website. I am shocked by the quality, by the accuracy that they are providing. And then I got another one of the viral products that is so in trend on Instagram. Again, I think I get influenced very easily. This floral belt, like I have seen this everywhere on Pinterest, on Instagram, on YouTube, everywhere. People are styling with their jeans with this, and this is so cute. I wanted to do it, but I was unable to find it on any Indian website. But Savannah has it. Savannah has it, and the quality. You look at that. You look at that. That is so good. It's so delicate yet so pretty. I love this. I am thinking of pairing it up with my jeans. I love how Savannah has so much cute, trendy stuff. And then I got another belt. This is a belt, another skirt belt. Wow! Oh my god. I saw it on Savannah and I was like, this is so pretty. I need this for myself. I don't have a lot of belt, but this one, I don't know, this is so pretty. It's a jeans belt and it has star-studded stars and sequins studded all over it. This is so pretty. This is something so new. I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe. I mean, look at the quality. Look at the detailings. See that? I have had purchased belts before, but never a jeans belt. And this is so unique in my opinion. I think everyone should have this. Just one complaint is that this feels a little wobbly, but for the price I have gotten it for, I shouldn't have any complaints because this part really makes up for the mistakes over here. So yeah, here's the last part of my accessories, which is I got clips. I love wearing clips. After I have watched When Life Gives You Tangerines, I am a clip glue, and I got this beautiful bow clips from Savannah. Look at how pretty is that. And it has four different prints on top of it. Quality seems so good. I love this. You cannot go wrong with bows. Like, and I also love how the quality is sturdier. Like, look at the clip. This don't look cheap. They have got tons of other clips, but I wanted to see the quality. This is so good. So yeah, that's it guys. That was my haul and I hope you guys liked it, because I think I am in love with Savannah right now and I need to get more from them, because this was not enough. Did you guys feel it was enough? I didn't. I think I need to get more because my wish list now look like this. Woo! Yeah, I need to slowly get them. Over purchasing is not a good thing, so yeah, I need to control myself. But if you want any of those products, I have of course linked it down below, so go and check them out and get them for yourself. I'll be back with another cute video pretty soon, so till then stay tuned guys. Bye bye, see you.